What happens to the vagina if you don't have sex? Have you ever wondered what happens to your vaginal health if you're not sexually active? Does it change, shrink, or lose its vitality? The truth may surprise you, and understanding this can help you take control of your overall wellness. The vagina is a resilient and dynamic organ that maintains its health and function regardless of sexual activity. However, changes in vaginal health can occur due to various factors such as age, hormonal shifts, and lifestyle, not solely due to abstinence from sex. Here's a professional breakdown of what might happen. Number 1. Natural maintenance and self-cleaning. The vagina is self-cleaning, maintaining a healthy balance of bacteria to prevent infections. Regular menstruation, discharge, and daily care help ensure its overall health, regardless of sexual activity. Number 2. Potential for vaginal dryness. Vaginal dryness is primarily caused by a decrease in estrogen levels, which can occur with age, especially during menopause, stress, or certain medications. Lack of sexual activity itself does not directly cause dryness, but without arousal lubrication, some individuals may notice slight discomfort during future sexual activities. Number 3. Pelvic floor and vaginal tone. The pelvic floor muscles and vaginal walls remain strong with or without sex. Activities like Kegel exercises or yoga can keep these muscles toned, promoting overall vaginal health. Without regular sexual activity or stimulation, some individuals might experience a feeling of tightness due to reduced blood flow, but this is not harmful and can be addressed with stretching or gradual reintroduction of sexual activity. Number 4. Impact on vaginal elasticity. The vagina does not shrink or lose its elasticity due to lack of sex. Its tissues are designed to expand and contract naturally, such as during childbirth or penetration, and this elasticity remains intact even without frequent use. Moreover, Number 5. Hormonal and emotional effects. Sexual activity can increase hormone levels like oxytocin and endorphins, promoting relaxation and well-being. In the absence of sexual activity, these benefits can be obtained through exercise, meditation, or non-sexual physical intimacy. Number 6. Risk of atrophy in postmenopausal women. In postmenopausal women, reduced estrogen levels can lead to vaginal atrophy, thinning, dryness, and inflammation of vaginal walls. Regular sexual activity or alternative methods like vaginal moisturizers and estrogen therapy can help maintain tissue health. Now, to examine how to maintain vaginal health without sexual activity. Number 1. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to promote natural lubrication. Number 2. Diet. Include foods rich in vitamins and probiotics to maintain a healthy vaginal microbiome. Number 3. Hygiene. Clean the external genital area gently with water and avoid harsh soaps. Number 4. Pelvic exercises. Regular pelvic floor exercises can maintain muscle tone. Number 5. Medical checkups. Regular gynecological exams are crucial for early detection of any issues. Abstaining from sexual activity does not negatively impact vaginal health in most cases. However, other factors such as aging, hormonal changes, and lifestyle choices play a more significant role. Proper care, a healthy lifestyle, and regular medical consultations ensure that the vagina remains healthy and functional regardless of sexual activity. Want to learn more about how to keep your body healthy and resilient no matter your lifestyle? Subscribe now and share this with someone who could benefit from these insights. Let's take the journey to wellness together.